Hi friends, in this video, I am going to demonstrate the open source video conferencing system called BigBlueButton. This can be easily integrated to any one of the learning management system like Canvas and Moodle. Right now, I am in the dashboard of our MVGR Moodle. I am going to create that in our course. The first step what you have to do is turn the editing on. Depending on the module, you can go to that module and add it over there. I am showing it in the basic module. Add an activity or resource. Select BigBlueButton. Change the instance type depending on your requirement. I am going for a combination of recording and activity. Give a name for the session. If you want that to be notified to all the participants, check this box. To change the activity room settings, we can modify something, the basic welcome note. You can wait for the moderator to join the session. If you want that to be, you can make it as a checked. Recording settings we cannot change anything, so leave it like that. For the participants, we can allow some of them to be added or we can allow all of them to be added onto the course, depending on role based or depending on usernames. So I can select any one of the user as participants from the course. Select them and add to the session. If not, I can select all of them to be joined. I can change the roles of some of them. If I want someone else to present it, I wanted them to be as a moderator. If not, all of them will be viewers only. I can schedule the session. I'll enable this and set the date and time. But for this demo, as I want to start the session now only, I am not enabling this. I am not changing these basic settings. I am just save and display. So, this is going to be showing the demo on the home page, and if you look at this, it is saying the room is ready, you can join the session now. So, I am clicking on join session. So, this will be available as it is and it is going to land me onto a new tab where it will ask me for the basic audio settings and all. So, it will ask you to choose the option which you want to join. Viewers can join in listen only mode. The presenters can join with a microphone. So, we have to allow the microphone. It will check for the echo for audibility. If you are able to listen to your audio, you can say yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
So, this is what is a UI. If you look at this, on the left side we have a public chat. Whatever you type here, that will be visible to everybody. You can also have a private chat also. This is the shared notes. If you wanted to share something to all of them. Notes part, which you can add up here. And these are the participants. If you look at that, this square shape identifies the moderator and the bottom right that shows the microphone status, whether you are audible or you are in mute state. Top left icon shows that you are a presenter right now. If you are a viewer, this would be a circle. To make some more settings, we can just go to this gear button, mute the users, change the status, create breakout rooms, add closed captions. All of them can be done during your live session. We can lock some of the viewers. So, we will come back to the breakout room later. Then again, coming to this part, the actual UI, you can record the session by clicking on this and you can write in notes. This is your whiteboard. So, select a color, select the diameter and write it here. It's difficult to write with a mouse. Excuse me for my bad handwriting. Now you can undo that. And if I want this to be accessed by 2 or more users, I can just say turn multi-user whiteboard on. So what happens is, look at this tag. Now I have got my name onto my mouse action. So some other user also can be a part of this. They also can write into this session. So that is the advantage of turning on the multi-user whiteboard. This is a simple whiteboard which you are all familiar with. And at the bottom the icons what you have is your microphone, your call connectivity, your video. If you enable this, it will share your webcam, and this one will share your screen. Whatever screen you want it to present, it will ask you to select your entire screen, or only a specific application window or the Chrome tab. I prefer entire screen so that wherever I navigate, that can be visible. Now I am cancelling it. If you click on webcam, you can be visible on the top. And if you look at this, there are some options to make it full screen, to end the meeting and log out. This is what is important section where you can start a poll, you can upload your presentation, you can share an external video. Just you can type the URL of that, whatever you wanted to share, maybe from YouTube or from other module, add a URL. You can add your own presentation, upload a presentation, get from the system, browse for a file. I have a poll. I'm going to open that presentation. You can show PDFs or PPTs. So look at the status. You have to upload this. You convert to a presentable format and upload so that that screen will be visible here. So now look at this. I've got a new poll button here. If you write ABCD, it will automatically detect the option true or false, ABCD, so on. So if you click this, it will enable this. So now the participants will get a poll. It will be open for the participants. You have to click on A or B. Then those poll results will be visible here. By the end of the poll, I can publish the result. If there are participants, I can show this. Right now, I cannot demonstrate that. This is how I can run a poll. Simple. I can also create a custom poll. This is what is a basic navigation mechanism. Now, let's go to a breakout room. Create a breakout room. So, I can select number of rooms, maybe 2 or 3, depending on the participants. And I can set the duration for the breakout, maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I can add the time itself. Now, I can allow the user to choose their breakout rooms, or I can assign them onto these rooms. I'll get the names over here. I can assign them onto room 1, room 2. This is how I can assign the participant to either room 1 or room 2. Or I can allow them to choose their breakout room to join. Some points to be remembered about breakout rooms is this is meant for informal interaction. So, recording is not possible in breakout room. The time duration what we have set is cannot be extended. And also, whatever content you share in the breakout room cannot be extended forward to the original session. So, whenever I say allow create, it is going to create a new session. I will just give 1 minute only. Create. So, it is going to give me a new tab. Look at this, it's asking me to join a room. So, this is my new room. Will be available for 1 minute. It will be again asking me for the access of microphone. The equatist is common. If you observe, I have got
You are currently the only person in this conference.
One is my breakout room. This is my actual room. So, after that 1 minute, they can talk something, whatever they want, they can do it here and they can quit that. So, look at the time. I can show the time remaining. So once it is over, it will automatically be closed. Let's wait for those 15 seconds more. Not only public chat, I can personally chat with somebody else also. Or I can enable my video and talk to each other. All of them are possible here, except the recording. So, I have come back to my original session. After the 1 minute, I have come back to my original session. This is automatic. The teacher can go amongst those rooms. He can shift amongst the rooms.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
By looking at the various rooms. So that is what is advantage. I hope all the features of the conference are demonstrated and you will try enjoying this BigBlueButton in your course. Thank you. End the session.